as much as finding out that the deportation from the president was out of the question, as much as that was a bummer, this I can say, this is something to be very, very optimistic about. I feel, in my opinion, I'm reporting to you. The client is about to face a day of reckoning next week in his visa case because the judge has said he's going to make a move to release the maximum amount of documents about the client's narcotics use that he possibly can. And I have to tell you, I am very, very excited because sure, okay, you and I aren't going to get what we want. What we wanted was the headline, Prince Harry deported by the United States. That's what we wanted. Now, of course, we're not going to get that. But hey, if we could get something like this where we really do see all of these documents be released, well, whichever ones, as this says, after a fresh challenge, Judge Carl J. Nichols ruled that he wants to release the maximum amount possible about how Harry, 40, even though he's 12 in his head, got into the United States. Now, I can't wait for this. This is next week. I cannot wait because I got to tell you, I'm still of the opinion that this guy didn't fill anything out. He didn't bother. He doesn't care. He knows he's the king's son. He's a douchebag prince. And for us to find out now that in an order published last night, Judge Nichols formally told the government to state by next Thursday, February 20th, which legal documents related to the case can be disclosed. This is huge. Now, I'm being optimistic. All right. I don't want to be pessimistic about this, but let's say that they only release, I don't know, some, jerk off ones that don't really matter and it's just whatever. Okay, then we can be let down on that day. But what I'm hoping for is that we find out, hey man, that this guy, he did in fact lie. He said the court, quote, the court will determine what portions of those materials can be produced to the Heritage Foundation. And that's good enough. Now, I want to not be pessimistic and I not want to say, well, it's only going to do this. Well, it's only going to do that. No. I think this is going to be a big deal. I really do. I'm being very optimistic about it. And I think that that's where we should stay. Yeah.